guys, it's Tuesday and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a video how to clean slime. So today I actually had drop in it and it got dirty. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean it. And if you guys are probably wondering, oh, why is she not showing her face? It's because I don't want to show my face today because I look like a mess. So I'm not going to show my face. So right here what I have a full cup of water full. That's how you want it. And then if you want to get every little dirt a part of it, you're going to break, let me show you. You're going to break some up and you're just going to put it in the water and you're going to start cleaning it with the water. And yeah. And then after that, see how slimy it looks? But that's okay if it's slimy. So it's okay. You guys are probably like, what is she doing? She does not know what is she doing, but you guys will see. I'm gonna do a big piece just so I can kind of get over it. And all you're doing is this, you know, basic. And then after you wash it, you want to look in some little spots to make sure you got all of it. Then you add it to the other slime that you had wet. See guys, it's coming together. And you guys are gonna probably have to wait like 2 hours for it to come back to this. Yeah, you guys are probably gonna have to wait 2 hours until it comes back into this. So guys, I dump it out. I turn it, you know. And then there you go. I put plain fresh water in, and I start with this. Okay. So then I look in it to make sure I got every detail. Okay, I can see that a little dirt has gone into. Okay. Okay. And then this is the slime that I have wet, and this is the slime that I have piece. You see the difference? This one's like, look, let me show you. See? This one's like a little bit wet. See, but it's getting like this. So you guys don't have to be worried about that stuff. About like, oh, it's gonna get like, it's gonna mess up. It's not. See, this is the one I wet. It'll make your thing a little bit stickier, but that's okay. Okay. Oh. And then while you're washing, you want to also grab like the dirty things off of it. So like that. Look how clean it looks. And then guys, I put it into the side. Then I'm grabbing this piece. I'm gonna rip it up. And I'm gonna pour it in. I'm not gonna fast forward it because I want you guys to know what I'm doing. So yeah. Okay. Oh, this hurts. I have a cut on my finger. And it hurts so bad. So that's why you're hearing me like, oh, this hurts. That does hurt. Okay, and then like I said, you have to look in them to make sure you got everything. Oh my gosh. This literally was just falling. Oh wow. Hopefully it did not get dirty. See, look what was in my slime. That's why it's good to break apart them so that you can really see what's in them. This is also the best slime. Using that brown thing. Oh, it makes it really sticky. Okay guys, so then I'm gonna wash the last part. I'm holding this part. Let's see if this part is dirty. Oh my god, I'm such a mess. Okay guys, and I am all done. It's gonna be, if you guys, I'm warning you guys now, it's gonna be sticky like a little bit. Not that much. So kind of, if you want the water to like stay in here, I think you should just do this to it and then just twist so that it can stay in there. And a faster way to make it dry is to just let it be like this. Okay, and look at all the dirty things that's what's in here. So nasty things. Okay. Oh. Okay. So. If you guys are probably thinking like, oh, she really did not finish. Well, yes, I did. I did finish, guys. So look at the reveal. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure I got some question for you guys. That'll be my video Friday. And you guys are probably like, what is she doing? She's posting this on a Wednesday. Well, guys, I was so bored, so I'm like, let me just post this one time on a Wednesday. So, look it. And also, I got dirty, so I'm like, some people are probably like, I need help how to clean my slime. This is how. Deuces.